today we are doing a full curl transformation. These are the type of curls that make you feel like a totally new person, and yes, they last. So let's get into it. This little wand may look innocent, but believe me, she delivers tight defined curls that hold all day long. It is part of the interchangeable T3 Micro Switch Kit Curl Trio. And trust me, this one's my favorite when I want that curly moment. This is freshly washed hair. I just let my hair air dry. As you can see, I have board straight hair. That's why I really love doing this hairstyle, because it's something very different than what I actually have. But first things first is prep. We are gonna go in with heat protectant. Do not skip this step. I don't care what heat protectant you're using, as long as you're using a heat protectant. I'm gonna be using this one from Voluminous. This one has just been one of my favorites. I really love this. I'm gonna spray this all throughout the hair. I wanna make sure I get every part of my hair, so be very generous with this. Like I said, do not skip this part. We are going to be going in with a lot of heat to our hair, so you want to make sure that you are protecting it by using a heat protectant. I like to section my hair and work in layers, starting from the bottom. Then taking tiny pieces, I wrap them tightly around the wand and hold for 7 to 10 seconds. Then let the curl drop right into my hand. I love to make sure that every single curl that I'm doing is going the exact same way. You can do them different ways. If you do them different ways and make them more messy, I feel like it's going to give you more of that naturally curly look. However, because I am going to be wearing this hairstyle throughout the whole week, I want to make sure that my curls are going the exact same way, so when I brush them out, they're going to loosely fall together in the same kind of rhythm, and it's just gonna wear really pretty throughout the whole week. I prefer to do my curls all the same way. Once you're done curling all of your hair, I just like for it to just sit there and let it cool down for a little bit. I'll kind of reach up in here. If I can still feel a lot of heat, then I know not to really touch my hair. I did forget my hair oil. I'm so bummed. I'm here filming in the studio, but I will show y'all a clip of the hair oil that I would typically run throughout my hair. This will just help get all the flyaways and just kind of tame it. The first day is going to be your quote unquote biggest day. Your curls are just gonna be really tight, and it's just gonna be a head full of big curls. I think my favorite part about this hairstyle is that I am done. I am going to wear my hair like this throughout the whole week. I'm not gonna put any more heat to my hair. As the days go on, the curls are gonna loosen and they're gonna eventually just turn into waves, and I absolutely love the way my hair looks on day 1 and day 7. I really love this hairstyle through all its phases. It's honestly the best way to keep your hair looking good and healthy. If you recreate this look, please tag me so I can go and hype you up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what hair tutorial you would like to see next, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.